Most entrepreneurs spend too much time on tasks that don't grow their business. They know AI is supposed to help, but they don't know how to use it in a way that actually makes them money. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 ways to make money with ChatGPT 5.0, even if you've never written a line of code. ChatGPT 5.0 is very different from the earlier versions. OpenAI designed it to know when to give quick answers and when to take more time and reason carefully. It's also multimodal, which means it can handle more than just text. It can create apps, work with images, and handle tasks that earlier versions struggled with. You don't need a technical background to use it, but you do need to know where the opportunities are. Here are the top 3 most promising opportunities right now. Method 1. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering AI workshops. Right now, businesses are confused about AI. They know it's important, but they don't know where to start. You can make money by teaching them simple, practical ways to use ChatGPT 5.0. You don't need to be a professional trainer. You only need to be one step ahead of the people you're teaching. The easiest way to prepare a workshop is to use ChatGPT itself. First, choose a topic. Don't try to cover everything. Pick one area that's easy for beginners, like writing marketing emails or using ChatGPT for task organization. Once you've picked your topic, you'll need material. Instead of spending days making it from scratch, use existing free content like a YouTube tutorial. Copy the transcript, then paste it into ChatGPT with this prompt. Turn this transcript into a beginner-friendly workshop outline that lasts 1 hour. Break it into clear sections with activities for the audience. That gives you a structure. Next, you'll want slides. Use this prompt. Turn this workshop outline into a slide deck. For each slide, give me a short title and 3 to 5 bullet points of content. Now you've got slides ready to drop into a free online presentation tool. That's your teaching material prepared. But preparation isn't just about slides. You'll want a script so you feel confident. Copy the slide outline back into ChatGPT and say, write a presenter script that explains each slide in simple language I can read out loud. Now you've got your workshop notes. At this point, you're ready to deliver your first free session. To find your first audience, start with people you know. Send a short message like, I'm running a free beginner workshop on how to use ChatGPT 5.0 for everyday business tasks. Do you know anyone who'd be interested? Once people say yes, you can run the session online using Zoom or Google Meet. After the session, ask participants what they found most useful. Save those comments as testimonials. Those testimonials are what you'll show to future businesses when you start charging. Now, let's break down the path to getting paid. Step 1, deliver at least one free workshop. Step 2, collect testimonials and refine your content. Step 3, set a price. A simple workshop can start at $1,000 or $2,000. Step 4, reach out to small businesses in your area. Use this prompt in ChatGPT to get help writing an email. Write a short, professional outreach email offering a 1-hour AI workshop for small businesses. Keep it simple and focus on saving time and improving efficiency. Copy the draft, personalize it with the business name, and send it. Even if only 1 out of 10 replies, that's enough to get started. Method 2. The second method is becoming a software composer. This doesn't mean you need to know how to code. Your role is to describe problems clearly and let GPT-5 build the solution. Many businesses run on messy spreadsheets and manual work. They'd love a simple app, but developers are too expensive. GPT-5 can create that app for you. Here's how to start small. First, identify a simple tool you want to build. Let's say a form where customers can submit orders and the results are stored in a table. Open ChatGPT 5.0 and use this prompt. Write the code for a simple web app where users can submit an order form with name, product, and quantity. Save the data in a table below the form. Paste the code into a free online code editor. Run it. If there's an error, copy the error back into ChatGPT and type, "This is the error I got when running the code. Fix it and explain what I need to change." ChatGPT will fix it for you. That's your first working tool. Next, you can make the app look better. Use this prompt. Add a clean, modern design to the app using HTML and CSS. Make the form and table easy to read. Now you've got a functional, simple app. This alone can solve problems for small businesses. Once you're confident with small tools, you can move to more advanced projects. Install a tool like Cursor, which connects GPT-5 directly to your coding environment. With Cursor, you can build larger projects step by step. For example, try this prompt. Build a dashboard app that connects to a Google Sheet and shows sales data in a bar chart. Add a login page for security. When you get the code, run it, test it, and fix errors using the same process as before. The important thing is you're not inventing features yourself. You're listening to what a business owner needs and translating that into a clear description for ChatGPT. You're the middle person between the problem and the AI solution. Businesses will pay because the tools save them time. To find your first client, offer to build a free prototype for someone you know. For example, if you know someone who runs a shop, ask them, "What's a small task you wish you could make easier?" Then use GPT-5 to build it. Once you've shown what's possible, you can charge for custom projects. To make your offer clear, use this prompt in ChatGPT. Write a short message offering to create a simple custom app using AI. Focus on saving time and reducing errors for small businesses. That's what you can send to local businesses. Charge small amounts at first, then increase as you get more confident. Method 3. The third method is building an AI automation agency. This means setting up GPT-5-powered agents that handle repetitive tasks automatically. Before GPT-5, these agents weren't reliable. Now they're much smarter. This makes them easier to set up, even if you're not technical. The first step is understanding how to map out a process. Take a task a business repeats daily, like answering customer inquiries. Write out the steps. A customer sends a message. The system checks if the question is common and then sends the answer. Now, go to ChatGPT 5.0 and use this prompt. Write a step-by-step chatbot script that answers the 10 most common customer questions for a type of business. Keep the answer short and professional. Once you have the script, paste it into a no-code tool like VoiceFlow. Connect it to a chat widget on a website. Now the chatbot can handle customers without human effort. Another example is data entry. Use this prompt. Write a workflow where new emails with order details are read, the details are extracted, and they're saved into a Google Sheet. Then connect Gmail and Google Sheets in a no-code automation tool like N8N. This saves hours every week. To get your first clients, follow the same pattern as before. Offer one automation free in exchange for a testimonial. Once you can show a business owner that their workload is reduced, they'll be happy to pay for more. To make outreach easier, use this prompt in ChatGPT. Write a short LinkedIn message offering to set up a simple AI automation that saves 5+ hours per week. Make it clear and friendly. Send a few of these messages each day. Even a single client can turn into long-term work because once they see the value of one automation, they'll want more. The reason these 3 methods work is simple. Businesses want AI, but they don't know how to use it. You don't need deep technical skills. You need to listen, describe the solution clearly to GPT-5, and deliver it. If you like speaking, focus on workshops. If you like building tools, focus on apps. If you like improving systems, focus on automations. Choose one, start small, and scale up as you gain confidence. I've linked all the helpful tools that I've mentioned in the description, so check those out to get started with one of these methods today. Which of these methods will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.